In this video, I am going to show you 4 different ways to change folders in PowerShell. Using cd ... moves you one folder up. This is the folder where we are positioned right now. By using cd ... we will get positioned here. And by using cd ... 3 times, we will get positioned here. So let's give that a try. Method number 2 is using set location followed by the full path to where we want to be positioned. And then we hit enter. Method number 3 is using SL. We type SL followed by the full path to where we want to navigate to, and then we hit enter. The fourth method is to type CHDIR and then followed by the full path to where we want to navigate to, and then we hit enter.